of a field of blooming trillium. So yesterday was a big day. That was 16 plus miles. So today I'm feeling it a little bit in my right hamstring, even though I stretched it out, but taking it easy, trying to focus on my left leg a little bit. End of the day today. Even though I said I wasn't gonna do a long hike, I did a very long hike, 19.2 miles, so I am pretty beat. All in all, it was very nice. There was not that much water along the way. Too tired to cook, so I had purchased some Cliff Bars, so that was my dinner. Lots of protein, lots of calories, and I will make up for it tomorrow by an easy day.